students of class 6, now I am going to complete your last lesson of history for the half early syllabus, that is the chapter number 4. The lesson name is the first civilization in India. Here you can see the main topic in this lesson has been given: the story of Harappa, the end of Harappan civilization, contribution of the Indus Valley civilization, then chief features of Harappan culture, case study of Harappan towns in Gujarat. Few terms also given here. You can go through these terms. That is the surplus. You know, surplus means sometimes we have some surplus things, like farmers have surplus grain which they are going to sell in the market. That is meaning of this civilization, means the process by which societies become developed and organized. Contemporary means occurring in the same period of the time. Now come to the chapters. Now the man's lifestyle significantly change after slowly when the copper age has been come. After that, slowly the man started settled in one place and started doing agriculture. This you have read in the last lesson. Now the story of Harappa. Harappa is one place that in 1856, when British were building Lahore, now at present Lahore is in Pakistan, that time it was a part of India, to Multan railway, they stumbled upon the mound of finely baked bricks near the side of Harappa. So now after that they started slowly came to know these were the made by the people with the bricks and all. Now it means they have started making their houses with the help of bricks. Now after that they came to know the Indus Valley civilization came, because this place was situated near the river Indus. At present Indus is Pakistan, you can say Indus in Hindi. So that is the many places where sites are located, like Ropar in Punjab, Lothal, Rangpur in the Rajouri, all in the Gujarat, Kalimbagam, Rajasthan, Kota, Delhi, Ami and Chau, Deo, Sindh and Pakistan, Banwali, Haryana, Alamgirpur in Uttar Pradesh, and many more places has been located after searching by archaeologists. Now the main features of the Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization are given ahead. Slowly you will come to know here. The main features of these places like this: town planning. They have done a proper town planning, which is the answer of the detailed answer 1 also. How the town planning they have done. They made many streets and lanes in that area. Their drainage system was located. Here you can see second point, all houses connected with the drainage, and the main drainage system goes to the outside of the area. Now the cities, houses and buildings, the cities were large and very well planned. Most of the cities consisted of two portions. One is the citadel, it means upper area, and lower town in lower area. Generally in citadel was used for public gathering together, and other places lower area the people were living. Why high quality of mud and bricks were used for the construction of these places. The houses had an open courtyard in center with the rooms built around it. The courtyard ensured that there was enough air and light entrance in that. Now come to the next page. Here you will come to know the other points. Now the Great Bath. It is a famous place called Mohenjo-daro, Great Bath, where the people has to take bath. It was like a pond nowadays. Now the measurement has been given. The 11.88 meter in length, 7.01 meter in width, and 2.43 meter in deep. They were always filled with water, and people has to take baths, wash their clothes and all, whatever requirement is done, they are doing there. Now granaries and the large halls, they also made some area that is reserved for granaries. Whenever they will get the surplus grain, they put on the granaries, and it is like a hall, and they have to keep their granaries inside that. Amusements, the people of this culture were found the entertainment also. They have made toys for their children. You can see in the figures, very peculiar kinds of the toys they have been made. Pottery also they have been. Now once you will come to the next page, you try to understand the manufacturing of clothes. Now they have started building clothes also. In Mehergarh, about 7,000 years ago, the record has been found. They were having number of spindles walls used for spinning ahead. Now the image making and sculpture also they have started. You can see the dancing girls are here. It means they were interested for recreation also. So they made the animals of the and other people for the dancing girls figure. You can see she has put up her hand on her hip, so this shows that it is a dancing position. Dress and ornament, they have started wearing on dress also, ornaments also they have made. This is also a answer of the detail answer 4A. You can go through this and you can see how their ornaments has made. Now seals. More than 2,000 seals have been discovered in different sites of the Harappan culture. They are small in size and are made of terracotta. Seals stones have also been found. Beside the figure of animals, the seals have been few words inscribed on them, something written in their own languages. This appears to be the script of Indus Valley people. The seals throw light on this dress, religious beliefs and trade made. Weight and measures. Weight and measures have been found from the various sides. Both heavy and small weights have been found there. Now the people they have to use the weights and for their measuring purposes and all. Art and writing. They are also interested for art and writing. Art made by them is shown in this figure. By inscribing in some places, they are making their arts and all. Writing also they are doing by their own way. Painting also they were, you see the potters, a part with painting shown here, how they are doing painting work on the pot. Now the next page, you can see the food and agriculture. Since they started growing crops, so their food and all will be all kinds: wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, everything they started using, mustard and all. Cotton was also important products of Indus Valley civilization. Now trade and commerce, they started doing trades with the among them also and in other country known as Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia also they have done trades and all. So trade also started. Most probably Harappan got copper from Rajasthan, the places from where they are getting the things. Copper from Rajasthan, then Oman and West Asia. The domestication of animals. The Harappan domesticated bull, cows, buffalo, goats, sheep, pigs, etc. Dogs and cats too were the domesticated pets. It is not a certain where they knew the horses are not, but water pasture has been available around the settlement, but they had taken large herds of animals to far off places. and dry summer months such as grass and water. Now the religion, they will be now started believing in not in particular region, but they started praying to the goddess and worship the images of them. These are the people of the Indus Valley civilization. A statue of the mother goddess have been given here. You can see here. Now the administration, how they are doing their particular places administration. The administration was not being done by one person, but the rich people. It is assumed that the rich people, they were responsible for the administration, and they are looked after different tasks such as regulation of trade, collection of taxes, maintenance of law and order, etc. Now the end of the Harappan civilization. How the Harappan civilization ended? Here are few points given. See, some scholars suggest that the river dried up since they were living on the banks of river. So few scholars, they said that the river already dried up. This is one point. The Harappan civilization finished. Next they say there may have been a flood or some area. Due to flood, the area has been spoiled and people left that area. Maximum they say the possibility of deforestation occur on a large scale. They were cutting the tree from jungle and they are making it fit for agriculture and all. So due to that area, the land has become barren and all, and now people left those area. It also likely that grazing by large herds cattle may have destroyed the green cover. Since now they started having cattle and all, so cattle graze too much grasses and all, the area has been spoiled, and that is the end of civilization. You can say the Harappan civilization. Now after this, few more points are given. A case study you can go through Harappan's town in Gujarat. Now the contribution of the Indus Valley civilization. What the Indus Valley civilization contribute among us? Given here as a 3 points, that is detailed answer 2 also. Being the first urban civilization, it gave the word of the first urban system. First town planning, it first architecture of stone, the first example of sanitary engineering, sewage work, etc. The Indus Valley civilization also have the credit of producing pottery, wheels, cart, harnessing and animal force of man's use. They worship the Shakti of Lord Shiva. Now they started worship Lord Shiva also. Now Shiva is also great god of Hindu. Respect for certain trees like people. Nowadays also know the Hindu people praise the people tree. They started this thing. Animals like cow, bull would be regarded as the legacy of the Indus Valley people. That is the end of this lesson. Now the write-ups you can go through. One answer given here also. That is brief answer 1. You can see this exercise very carefully. Picture is also very much clear. Fill up these exercises, tick the correct answers and all. Now next page is the question answer which is marked properly. You can see here and go through it. It is very clear and do it according to that. Complete your lesson faster because now before half-yearly examination we are going to check your copies one by one. You will be asked for your copies and all, and you will be checked for this. So better to do it faster. SST copy you complete all these things, history, civics and geography, and whenever you will be asked by the administration and in school, you give your copies, then we will check it. After that your half-yearly examination will be conducted. Thank you so much.